Hey, what's going on, phone dogs? Bo HD here. Hope you guys are doing well, and welcome to the very first unboxing haul with Arlo, the phone dog, who's gonna be making some noise, running back and forth probably throughout the entire episode, trying to get this banana. He likes bananas. Basically, what we're gonna be doing in this episode is just unboxing a bunch of products that was sent to us, either to my personal address or to our P.O. box, which we set up. I'll link that down below. If any company or fan wants to send us anything, you can send us stuff to the address down below. But I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing this stuff because a lot of it has been sitting in my studio for like weeks, and I've been kind of itching to unbox it and see what's inside. I have a pretty good idea as to what's inside, most of them, but there are definitely gonna be some surprises, so let's get started. We got our trusty unboxing knife here. I'm just gonna start with this one. Let's see what's in here. This is from Luke at iFixit. I have a pretty good idea as to what this is. So, this is the Pro Tech Toolkit from iFixit. Now, basically, I sent iFixit a message saying, hey, we're launching this new series with a cute dog, and you should send us some stuff, and I'll give you guys a shout out. What are you doing? No, this is a permanent marker. You're gonna kill some brain cells, dude. This toolkit features a bunch of different tools, obviously, to basically take apart all of your tech, whether it's laptops, computers, tablets, smartphones. This kit is gonna really help you out. There are a ton of different tools. We got anti-static wrist straps, suction handles, 3 opening tools, 6 opening picks, a nylon tip, reverse tweezers. The list goes on and on. All right, so it comes in this nice little pouch, some Velcro, and we'll see it unfolds, and we got some really nice. So this is a beautiful kit. I definitely want to give a shout out to iFixit and specifically Kelsey Weber at iFixit for sending the Pro kit to us to check out. I'm probably gonna have this the rest of my life. This is awesome. It has every single tool that I could possibly want for taking apart things. If you're a do-it-yourselfer or someone who likes to tinker with things, I highly recommend the iFixit case or toolkit. All right, next let's unbox this guy. This is from Etymotic. I think I'm saying that right. I believe these are some earphones that are relatively premium. They're about, I don't know, anywhere from, I don't cut myself here, anywhere from $200 to $300, I believe. Need some Austin Evans gains. There we go. Bo, enclosed is a sample of Etymotic's new ER4 extended response earphones. Cool, thanks for sending these along. Whoa, here they are, ER4 So I believe they make a studio version of these with more of a flat, neutral sound. These are the extended response, which are enhanced and feature extended bass. So they're gonna sound a little more punchy than the studio versions. Let's go ahead and give them a listen. Why not? I'll probably end up including these in our best tech episode if, obviously if the sound is satisfactory. But all the products mentioned in this video are gonna have links in the description if you wanna check them out, maybe purchase a product or just look into it some more. They're gonna be down below in the description. With that said, we have the Etymotic earphones. Kind of interesting packaging here. All right, here we go. So it looks like they are bundled in this. There's a little kind of a soft touch Etymotic case. There's a case inside of a case. Arlo, you're destroying my audio, dude. There's a case inside of a case. As you can see here, these are not wireless. They do feature the headphone jack. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that into my Galaxy S8 here that I've been using. I don't know if you watched our recent video, but we went and revisited the Galaxy S8 because the S9 is coming. And the S8 does have a headphone jack, so I don't need a stupid adapter. What's kind of neat upon closer inspection is that there appears to be a very unique style of ear tip here. Goes deep, but it feels well, feels pretty good. Well, I don't really hear too much bass, at least through the Justin Timberlake, but the mids and highs are pretty decent. I'm gonna have to spend more time with these. Thanks, Etymotic, for sending these out. We'll see how they are in our full review later on. Now let's go ahead and open up this guy. This is a Amazon package that I impulse purchased a few days ago. It just got delivered to me yesterday. I think you guys are gonna like it, and I'm hoping I like it. And I also hope I don't cut myself open in front of all of you guys. That would not be good. Oh man. This is a fun product. This is the U-Home Camera Lens Coffee Mug. And it's exactly what the name implies. This is first and foremost, it's a coffee mug, but it looks like a camera lens. Oh my gosh, they even include a little spoon. That's cute. So upon first impressions, this looks just like a Canon lens, a 24 to 105 millimeter Canon. It says Canium zoom lens. So they're obviously going for a Canon lens here, but they probably can't use the word Canon unless they want to get sued. But it looks just like a Canon lens. Of course, up top we have a lid that unscrews, and boom, we have a stainless steel sealed inside here that's gonna hold all of your hot liquids. This is pretty cool. So if I remember right, I believe I purchased this for like $7 on Amazon, which is a pretty darn good deal. I'll place a link down below if you're interested. It's a cool little gift, maybe a gag gift, or for a friend or something. Now I do have 2 packages that came from DHL, which means that they were most likely shipped from overseas. So I have a pretty good idea as to what these are, and I think you're really gonna like them. Both of these devices are gonna feature dedicated videos here on PhoneDog, so definitely stay tuned for that. Without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this one. Hopefully it's the one. I feel like I know what it is. Oh no, this is in Chinese. This is the new Honor View 10, or V10 for short. I'm not gonna actually unbox this here because I was gonna do a dedicated unboxing video here for PhoneDog. But basically it's a brand new smartphone. It features an 18:9 display, some mid to upper tier specs. All right, I have my cheat sheet here. Basically, it features a 5.99-inch 1080p display with more vertical pixels because of the 18:9 resolution. We have a 20 megapixel camera sensor, 6 gigabytes of RAM with a Kirin 970 processor, and pretty large 3750 milliamp hour battery. This looks like a pretty sweet device. I'm looking forward to it. God, I can't speak today. This, on the other hand, is the device I thought that device was. This is also sent from that same person, which I didn't say until now. Both of these devices were sent from gearbest.com, so big shout out to GearBest for sending these devices. This better be the device I'm looking forward to. If not, I'm gonna look like a fool. Yeah, here it is. It's a fairly dirty OnePlus 5T, but this one is not like the OnePlus 5T that we had a couple months ago sent from OnePlus. This is the sandstone white version, and I have a feeling it's gonna look pretty amazing. Now, just a side note, this is the Chinese version, but what's cool about OnePlus is that they feature a global ROM. So the Chinese version, the France version, the UK version, it's gonna work here in the US, it's gonna work pretty much anywhere with the GSM carrier. So that's really cool. So if you order it from GearBest, for example, it's still gonna have all the right bands and frequencies to work with US carriers. So here we go, guys. Black up front, white on the back, baby. Woo! Oh, damn, that feels really good. So it's not quite as grippy as the black sandstone, which first made its debut with the original OnePlus, but there's a nice little texture here. I actually really like it. I also like how we have a red notification toggle, and there's a black volume rocker, black sleep on off button, and even a black SIM card tray, which is a nice little touch. The front of the phone is also black, even though the white part is on the back. So this looks really clean. Hopefully one of these days we'll be able to get the new red OnePlus 5T, which just came out yesterday, I believe. That also looks really nice. That's right, I just did that. Casey Neistat style. A letter. Bo, welcome to the 3 Doodler family. My team and I are delighted that PhoneDog will be trying out the world's first 3D pen. the Doodler Create. Cool. Thank you very much, Jake. I appreciate you sending these products out to us. I'm looking forward to it. Here we have the 3D Create, and as you can see, you can draw various intricate objects, things, places. So what this product does is it will let you draw in 3D space. So if you're on a table right here, you can literally press a button and start drawing things, and they will form and stay molded in the shape that you draw them in. It looks like we have the pen itself, which is called the Butterscotch 3 Doodler. And we also have some strands, some different colors. And then this just looks like, this is the Tuk Tuk Project Kit. Thanks, Jake, for sending these out. These are gonna be a lot of fun to play with. And as you can see in the B-roll that we just played, you can create some pretty interesting things. There's Arlo, the phone dog. Here's a banana for being so good, even though you haven't been in most of the video, dude. All right, so now we're gonna unbox this next product here. I believe this is another audio-related product from Seoul Electronics. We've reviewed a few different products from them. These are the Seoul X-Shock absolutely true wireless earphones. Now, these are really cool because they launched on Indiegogo. These are one of the first true wireless earphones on the market, and they obviously got funded, and now they are starting to ship out to backers. So Seoul Electronics, they sent us one of these. Big thanks for sending this out. Whoa. Look at this, look how small these things are. These, I don't know if you can see it from there, but these are them. These are the wireless earphones. They also come in this nice, I would say soft touch, magnetic charging cradle. Looks really stylish, super glossy. I'm gonna hold off on setting these up and actually testing the sound, but if I put them in my ears, I'll just show you how stealthy they are. That's it. I could hardly hear anything. They are very noise isolated. Probably sound ridiculous right now. Thumbs up to Seoul Electronics for developing the X-Shock #UnleashYourSoul earphones. So believe it or not, we do have one more product, technically two, because there's two boxes here. You can't really see it. We have this white package. We also have, drum roll please. Yeah, this is a printer. It's from Epson. It is the Expression Photo HD XP 15000. The story behind this is I received an email from Epson. They're like, hey, we have a printer. You should review our new printer. And I was like, well, my printer is currently out of ink, and my parents' printer, every time I go up to visit, they don't have one. So I was like, okay, yeah, send us a printer and I will include it in one of these videos. We're actually launching a new series, yada, yada, yada. One thing led to another, and here we go. I don't know too much about this printer besides the fact that it does color and black and white, which is always nice. And it seems like they make a pretty big deal about being able to print photos, because there's a lot of bright, colorful, saturated photos around the box. So it looks like they included a bunch of ink cartridges here, which is really where the money's at. So thanks for sending that, because ink is not cheap. Here we go. This is it. It's kind of a very interesting design. It's like super flat on top, which I'm not too used to. So it doesn't look like there's too much on the back here. The side is pretty empty. It looks like there's an Ethernet port and a power port and a USB port. Nothing on the sides. Up top, we have the compartment to change out the ink cartridges. There is not a scanner here, unfortunately. That's kind of a bummer. I thought there might have been a scanner here, but there's not. And up front, we have a little LCD display and some buttons. That's about it. Now, you might be wondering what this package is. It is related to this printer. I believe it's the reviewer's package. It probably has some various information. Some of you might find this interesting. A lot of times when us reviewers get sent products to review for all of you guys, we're sent reviewers guides or reviewers packages, or basically versions of the product designed for reviewers, and all it really usually means is that you get some extra paperwork, maybe some extra supplies to test out the product, and that's the case with this Epson printer. We have a folder here with some paperwork that goes on and explains more about the new Expression Photo HD XP 15000 wide format printer, yada, yada, yada. This is interesting. Wow, they really hooked it up here. So we have some envelopes, which I'm assuming you can insert them into the printer and print stuff onto the envelopes. I'm making a mess here, guys. We have 4x6 Epson Premium Photo Paper Glossy. We have 5x7 Epson Premium Photo Paper Glossy, and even blank CDs and DVDs for printing. So they really cover their bases here. I don't think I'm gonna test all of that stuff. That's gonna about do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing Arlo, the unofficial phone dog. He wasn't in the entire video because he's still a puppy and he's running around and he's not totally well trained yet, but we're working on it. So hopefully in the months to come, he'll be more well trained and he'll actually sit next to me the entire episode. Oh, now he's super nice and calm, go figure. So as always, I'm BoHD from PhoneDog.com. This is Arlo from PhoneDog.com. Thank you for watching. We will see you right back here in the next one. See ya. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. You want a banana? You want a banana?